Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best cameras for YouTube in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is GoPro Hero 8 Black. The GoPro Hero 8 Black is the ultimate action camera for capturing your outdoor adventures. With its waterproof design, you can take it with you in any environment, from the beach to the mountains. The camera features a 4K Ultra HD video, 12MP photos, and 1080p live streaming. It also boasts advanced stabilization technology to help you capture smooth and steady footage. The touch screen makes it easy to adjust settings on the fly, and the built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections let you share your footage right away with friends and family. Whether you're an extreme sports enthusiast or just someone who wants to capture memories of their outdoor adventures, the GoPro Hero 8 Black is the perfect choice. Pros: waterproof up to 33 feet. 4K Ultra HD video. 12MP photos. 1080p live streaming. Advanced stabilization. Touch screen. Cons: expensive. Can be difficult to use for inexperienced users. Number 2. Our second best pick is Canon EOS RP full-frame mirrorless vlogging digital camera. Introducing the Canon EOS RP full-frame mirrorless vlogging digital camera, the perfect camera for creating stunning, high-definition videos on the go. This advanced camera features a 26.2MP full-frame CMOS sensor and 4K video recording capabilities, allowing you to capture the most intricate details in stunning clarity. The camera also features Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, giving you the ability to easily transfer your photos and videos to other devices. Additionally, the camera has a 3.0-inch vari-angle touch LCD screen, allowing you to quickly and easily adjust the settings and framing of your videos. This lightweight, portable camera is perfect for vlogging, travel, or any other creative endeavor, and comes in a sleek, black body. With the Canon EOS RP full-frame mirrorless vlogging digital camera, you can create beautiful, high-definition videos wherever you go. Pros: full-frame 26.2MP CMOS sensor for high-quality image capture. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. 4K video recording capabilities. 3.0-inch vari-angle touch LCD screen. Lightweight and portable body. Cons: price is on the higher end. Limited battery life. Number 3. Our third best pick is Sony Alpha A6600 mirrorless camera. The Sony Alpha A6600 mirrorless camera is a powerful and versatile digital camera for the modern-day photographer. With its 24.2-megapixel exmor CMOS sensor and Bionz X processor, this camera takes clear and detailed images. The camera's autofocus system is capable of lightning-fast performance, with 425 phase detection AF points and fast 0.02-second AF acquisition. Additionally, the A6600 is capable of capturing 4K video recording with full pixel readout and no pixel binning, as well as shooting at up to 11 frames per second with continuous AF/AE tracking. With its dust and moisture-resistant design and durable construction, the A6600 is built to handle the elements and offers dependable performance in any situation. With its impressive features and performance, the Sony Alpha A6600 mirrorless camera is the perfect choice for any photographer looking to take their photography to the next level. Pros: compact and lightweight design for easy portability. Fast and accurate autofocus system. High-resolution 24.2-megapixel sensor. 5-axis image stabilization for smooth and sharp images. 4K movie recording capabilities. Cons: limited lens selection. Battery life could be better. Limited touch screen capabilities. Slow continuous shooting speed. Expensive compared to other models. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Sony RX107 Premium Compact Camera. Introducing the Sony RX107 Premium Compact Camera, the ultimate in power and portability. This camera is designed to capture stunning images and videos with a 1.0 type stacked CMOS sensor and an incredible 20.1 MP resolution. Additionally, its 24 to 200 mm Zeiss Vario Sonor T** lens offers a wide range of focal lengths for maximum versatility. This camera also features high-speed shooting capabilities with up to 20 frames per second with continuous AF/AE tracking and up to 60 AF/AE calculations per second. Plus, the Sony RX107 is equipped with a pop-up electronic viewfinder, a 180-degree tiltable LCD, and a range of creative features that make it a perfect choice for both enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its powerful performance and pocket-sized design, the Sony RX107 is the perfect companion for your next adventure. Pros: compact size for easy transport. 1.0 type stacked CMOS sensor for improved image quality. Includes a 24 to 200 mm f2.8 to 4.5 lens for versatile shooting. 4K video recording capabilities. High-speed autofocus. Cons: expensive compared to other cameras in the same class. Limited battery life. Smaller sensor size than other cameras in the same class. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Panasonic Lumix GH5S Body 4K Digital Camera. The Panasonic Lumix GH5S Body 4K Digital Camera is the ultimate tool for capturing stunningly sharp images and video. This 10.2 megapixel mirrorless camera features a high-sensitivity MOS sensor and a C4K/4K UHD 4:2:2 10-bit recording capability. The camera is capable of recording in 4K resolution up to 60p with no cropping and can record in C4K at 30p with no cropping. With its 3.2-inch LCD touchscreen, you can easily compose and review your shots. The Lumix GH5S also features an advanced image stabilization system, allowing you to capture sharp images even in low light conditions. Its rugged body is dust and splash proof, making it perfect for outdoor shoots. With its impressive features, the Panasonic Lumix GH5S Body 4K Digital Camera is the perfect choice for capturing stunning images and video. Pros: 10.2 megapixel mirrorless camera with high sensitivity MOS sensor. C4K/4K UHD 4:2:2 10-bit. 3.2-inch LCD. Compact and lightweight body. Fast and accurate autofocus. Excellent image quality. Cons: expensive. Limited battery life. No integrated flash. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day.